The best of holiday gifts come in super small and super large packages. And I'm so excited that these wonderful and lucky buyers are getting a big package in Arizona Traditions. It's going to close right before the New Year's. I couldn't be happier for this wonderful couple. This stunning 3-bedroom, 2-bath, split plan floor plan, so you can have guests and have your privacy. And you know, my favorite part of it is the beautiful bathroom, and in the primary bedroom, sliding glass doors walk right out onto the golf course with a patio and a dining room table. I just couldn't be more thrilled for these buyers, and today is a great day to celebrate. Happy for the sellers, happy that everybody's going to enjoy a wonderful gift for Christmas. If you're interested in finding a home as fabulous as this on the west side of the Phoenix Valley, be sure to call me, Shannon, at 602-877-7653, which is 602-877-SOLD. Look forward to helping you find the home of your dreams, neighbor.